Okay, guys, today I want to look a little bit at how to add foods on MyFitnessPal. Like this is the main screen right here. So the big blue plus sign in the bottom part of the screen is what you hit to add food. So you just click that and you can see there's a few different ways to add food here. So the log food with the magnifying glass is going to be the most common thing to do. Of course, if you pay for the upgrade, again, the barcode scanner is sweet and that is a paid upgrade. It makes your life easy, especially if you're logging like let's say a protein bar or any kind of packaged, like you've got a frozen, frozen veggies or fruit or whatever, or like anything with a barcode. It's really easy to scan, right? So go back to that screen. There's even a deal where you can do a whole meal scan. It's probably some kind of like AI insanity, but it'll basically identify whatever's on your plate and help you log it. So just the whole goal of MyFitnessPal is to make this as easy as possible. And nobody's going to pretend it's like doesn't require some stick-to-itiveness, but they make it as easy as possible. Voice log, I imagine you can just speak into that. I'm not sure how useful that is. Anyway, let's go to log foods. So I'll click that button right there, and it's amazing all the things that are on here. Again, you can access the various ways to log your meals there. But so basically what you're gonna do is go, okay, I want to log a meal, or I want to log some food I ate. And so I actually already logged a few things today, but I'm going to go to scrambled eggs. Let's say I had one, two, three scrambled eggs for the sake of fun. And then I had some avocado this morning, and that was kind of mostly my breakfast. And I also had some salsa with that. So salsa, and you don't have to get too crazy with this. I mean, I had some salsa. There's not many calories in salsa or hot sauce, so I probably wouldn't even get that nuanced with it, but I'll add it for fun. Okay, great. And you can see that I accidentally, if you look at the top of the screen, it says dinner. And so really, that was my breakfast. So what I'm going to do with that, I'll show you how to edit that in a little bit here. I can edit it right out for you. It's pretty straightforward. When we're adding things, you don't have to do like branded or generic or whatever, but the main thing is getting the portion sizes right. I mean, eggs are obviously very easy, but when it comes down to it, things like, let's say I am doing chicken. Let's go chicken. Chicken is spelled the way chicken is usually spelled. Children. No, we're not doing that. Let's see here. So I hit plus on that. So that gives me a chicken breast. And so I'm going to show you kind of what that looks like now that I've got those things logged. They're all kind of logged under dinner, actually. I have some breakfast logged in here and stuff too. But if I want to see what I've done so far today, I can click the calorie button. It'll show me that. I click the macros button. It's going to show me again, like how much fat and protein and carbohydrates I have. I talked about how important that is in a previous video, and you can see where that's just like laid out for you right there. It's really nice. But in terms of logging foods, if we want to go to our food diary, and it's going to show us, okay, for breakfast, like I said, I logged some things earlier. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 scrambled eggs, like Gaston. I don't think you're probably even going to get that, but it's a good Disney reference. Okay, let's say I only ate 3 scrambled eggs. I can take that and slide left on this and delete a scrambled egg. Great, and then the avocado, that's if I want to edit that, I can, but I'm not going to. Let's go down here to dinner, chicken breast. Okay, I think it's really important to have a food scale when you're doing this, because who knows how much 4 ounces of chicken is unless you weigh it. So you literally will weigh the chicken breast. It's very easy. I'll show you how to do it on another video here, but let's say I don't like that 4 ounces. I just click on the chicken breast, and I can say, actually, I had more than 4 ounces. Let's say I had 8 ounces, so I can switch that to 8 ounces, right? So, boom, and I have updated things. So if you look at this, you're basically under dinner. Sorry. So under dinner, you can see what I had logged previously. I did log some eggs under dinner, some green beans. This was not my actual dinner tonight. I haven't had dinner yet, but these are just some examples of how you can modify things very easily under breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even there's like the snack category too.